everyone, welcome to Wisdom and online classes. So in a previous class, lines and angles, you have learned some important properties. And today you are learning with the another one properties with the different lesson, that is triangle and its properties. So you already idea about the triangle, right? So this is a triangle. This is called as a triangle. The triangle, it is a closed figure and it is a polygon and it is a closed figure entirely made by the line segments. So what are the line segments? You can see in this triangle. So this triangle is made by 3 vertices and 3 sides and 3 angles. So first one is, so vertices. Vertex P and vertex Q and vertex R. These 3 are called as the vertices of the triangle. And what are the sides of this triangle? See, this is PQ is a side and QR is another one side and RP is another one side. And what are the angles of this triangle? The angles are angle PQR and angle PRQ and angle RPQ. These 3 are angles of this triangle. Okay, this is the basic information regarding the triangle. So the today class you are learning with the another one important thing, that is the exterior angles and its properties. So what is this exterior angle? So you already learned and you already know about the interior angles. So interior angles, angle P and angle Q and angle R, these 3 are the interior angles of the triangle. So what is this exterior angle? So exterior is nothing but the which is angle is the outside of the triangle. So how to make this exterior angle? So if you extend this, if you extended this, if you extend this, you will get the angles here. You will get the angle. So when you extended this transversal line, though this QR is a transversal line, so when you extended this, you will get the another one angle exterior of this triangle, the outside of the triangle. What is that? This is angle you will get. Okay, so when you extended this transversal, so this is called as an angle PRS. The PRS is an exterior angle of this triangle. So what are the interior angles? The angle PQR or 3 interior angles. When you extended this transversal, you will get the exterior angle, that is PRS. This is called as a exterior angle of this triangle. So what is the today property you are learning? The property is what it says here. An exterior angle of a triangle, as now you know that which is the exterior angle PRS. It is a exterior angle is equal to this exterior angle is equals to the sum of its interior opposite angles. So which are the interior angles? Angle P, angle Q and angle R. These 3 are called as a interior angle. So what it says here, interior opposite angles. Interior opposite angles means these 2 angles P and Q are interior opposite angles. So what it is telling this? What this property says? The property says that exterior angle of the triangle, it is equals to the sum of its interior opposite angles. So what it says here, this property, an angle P or S, this exterior angle is equals to the opposite of the interior angles of that sum. Angle or PQ. This is the interior angle and angle PQR. Interior opposite angles. These two sum is equals to this exterior angle. So before going to with this property, you take this protractor and you just measure the exterior angles, and although the next you can measure these two angles. If you get the sum is same, the angle P and angle Q sum is equals to this exterior angle. So our property is exactly right. So you can now you can solve this property by using some geometrical ideas and some techniques. And what we are doing here, we have to prove now angle P or S. Angle P or S, it is a exterior angle. This angle P or S is equals to the sum of interior opposite angles. Which are the interior opposite angles? Angle P and angle Q or interior opposite angle. Those two sum is equals to the exterior angle. We have to prove here. So we have to show this by using some geometrical ideas what you have learned in previous class. So what I will do here now, this is a line, this is a side PQ. Okay. So I will just draw one parallel line for this PQ. Okay. So by the vertex of R, from the vertex of R, I will draw one line that is parallel to the PQ. So that is RM. That is RM. This is RM line. RM line. So that is parallel to the QP. Okay. So this QP is parallel to the RM. So you have to draw this from the vertex of R. Okay. So now you will get the corresponding angles. What are the corresponding angles you will get here? So which are the corresponding angles you will get here? As you learnt in previous class, you have already idea regarding the corresponding angles, right? So angle P, Q or and angle M or S. These two are corresponding angles. Are you agree? So this QP is parallel to the RM. Okay. When these two parallel, you will get the corresponding angles. So these are corresponding angles by this transversal line. The transversal line is QR. So what is angle PQR is equals to the angle M or S. Why these two are equal? Because we have learned the properties corresponding angles are equals. The corresponding angles are formed by the transversal parallel lines. That is, those angles are equal. This property you already learned. So what the property says that the two corresponding angles are equal. When the two corresponding angles are equal, when those two corresponding angles are formed by the transversal parallel lines. So transversal parallel lines is, it means that QR is a transversal. These transversal formed an angle. Those are parallel lines. So those are equal. So we can tell that angle PQR is equals to the angle MRS. Are you agree this? Yes, exactly. Angle PQR is equals to the angle MRS. Because those are corresponding angles. The corresponding angles are formed by the transversal parallel. equal. So next one is angle RPQ. Where is the angle RPQ? RPQ. This is RPQ and angle PRM. Where is the PRM? PRM. This angle. This angle. So this angle and this angle. Observe those two angles. What you can see here? This angle and this angle. Which kind of the angles? Those two are. Once just remember it what you have learned. Those two are alternative angles. Which kind of the angles are? Alternative angles. This angle is alternate to this angle. So what is the alternate angles are formed by transversal parallel. Those alternate angles are equal. So this QPR or PQN, these two are alternate angle. So these two are equal. So this PQR equals to the MRS because corresponding angles. This angle is corresponding to this angle. Are you agree? This angle is corresponding to this angle. This angle is alternate to this angle. So these two are corresponding angles are equal and these two are alternate angles are equal. So here RPQ is equals to the PRM because those two are alternate angles. So see this figure, you will get the idea. This P angle is alternate to this angle and this Q angle is corresponding to this angle. So this is equals to this angle and this is equals to this angle. Okay. Finally, what we can tell that PRS. This PRS. This PRS angle is exterior angle. This PRS, this angle, total angle PRS is made by the two angles. Which are the angles? PRM and angle MRS. Exactly, right. So this PRS is the external angle. This PRS is made by the PRM angle and MRS angle. Okay. So just what I will do it is, I will just change it, this PRM as a RPQ. Because this PRM is equals to the RPQ because those two are alternate angle. I will just exchange this. I will just exchange or I will just replace this PRM by using the RPQ because those two are alternate angles. Those two are equal. Then angle MRS, I will replace this angle by PQR because these two are corresponding angles. Okay. So I will just change this corresponding angles because MRS is equals to the angle PQR. So what I can finally conclude that here angle PRS is equals to the angle RPQ and plus PQR. What finally I can tell that this angle PRS, the total exterior angle PRS is equals to the exterior angle of the triangle. It is equals to the sum of its interior opposite angle. So what we can conclude this PRS exterior angle. An angle PRS is equals to the sum of interior opposite angle, that is R, PS and PRQ. This is the property. This is the final property. Finally we can tell that this exterior angle of the triangle, it is equals to the sum of its interior opposite angles. the exterior